Hey guys, what is up, and I welcome each and every one of you to a new Tesla video. My voice is still messed up, as you can see. My goodness, feels like it's been forever, so let's just get this done with. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Not financial advice. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on the bell notifications, all that good stuff. Let's just get this party started, guys. So Tesla reported their earnings today, which is why this video is late a little bit. I was looking at the earnings, I was watching other people's reactions and their thoughts, Twitter. Earnings were amazing. So in case you haven't seen the earnings, by the way, the earnings are up, of course. Where are they? I have them right here. So it's just very quickly scanning through them, but essentially like extremely bullish earnings. The only thing that's not, I guess, super bullish is the fact that somewhere their energy deployment, I don't know where it is exactly. I don't want to search through it right now in the video, but the energy part is just the only thing that's still kind of lagging, I would say. But other than that, man, it's just super bullish. They pretty much beat on every metric that honestly matters. They have free cash flow, like just up the kahunas. Like it's just insane. The company is just, they have more money than they know what to do with, it feels like, which is good news, of course. But let's talk about the actual stock price. Of course, we have the earnings call coming up. Tesla's down 2.5%, which is, as per usual on earnings. Always goes down on earnings, almost always. Nothing unusual, not worried. If anything, I actually hope it stays around this level for tomorrow so I can buy some more, because I got cash ready. I was waiting. I'm hoping for 800s. I'm still hoping to hit like 850 or like 860. I want more in the eights, man. I'm saving this cash for the eights. Ideally, if I can get it in the eights, I'm happy. Anyways, let's talk about what happened in the market today. So today we had the FOMC meeting, and it started off really nice, but unfortunately, you can see the market's pretty much just playing straight to this TA. We pretty much jumped up at the beginning of the FOMC when the statement came out, and then Jerome Powell started talking, and we essentially tanked. That's not good. And this is kind of following suit as to what we expected, right? Again, Tesla actually did really well today. I expected Tesla. So, okay, in my defense, I did say Tesla might quote unquote crash today, touch 900 at least. It actually did. If you look at it here. So here when we closed, it actually came down and touched 900. And I did say I would expected to touch at least 900 yesterday in the video. It did. It just did it in after hours, not in regular hours. But nonetheless, Microsoft ended up saving the day yesterday. They ended up rallying back up pretty aggressively. So it ended up pushing up the market back up pretty aggressively as well, which kind of saved Tesla in that sense. So Tesla was doing actually surprisingly quite well today. But again, Jay Powell started speaking and the whole market essentially tanked, including Tesla. So again, the biggest issue, I guess, short term, of course, short term, in the next month, I would say maybe, is that we're just still stuck in this downward little wedge. Hopefully when Elon comes for the earnings call, maybe he can give us like an insane product roadmap and that can push us ahead. But up until then, and up until we break out of this, we're essentially stuck in this downtrend. And if this wants to play around and touch this point again, well, that's going to happen in like the 700s, which I don't want to see. I really don't want to see a break under. Ooh, Tesla's rallying a little bit right now. I don't know what's going on. Let's take a quick look over here. Yeah, you can see it's recovering a bit here. Very nice. But again, short-term action, not a huge deal, right? Sorry, I'm like still sick. What the hell is this line? Dude, there's just lines appearing out of nowhere. I don't know what this is. But yeah, so essentially, ideally, I don't want Tesla to break underneath this line. It's been holding this line for quite a while. Breaking that line is like, I'm not going to lie, it's a little suspicious to me. There's some people that I follow on Twitter that I also respect for their TA. They use Elliott Wave. Again, Elliott Wave is a very controversial technical analysis to use. But, some of them I think they're really, really good. And one of them believes that, because the SPY and the QQQ look bearish, and he expects them to go down all the way here, that there is a decent chance that Tesla might do the same and come down to like somewhere in the sevens, like maybe mid to high sevens, and touch this line over here, maybe like somewhere around here, let's say. I don't know, like, let's say here, like 770. And then off of that, it'll bounce and then pretty much rally for the rest of the year. Very possible. I personally don't want to see that happen. And I'm still like hesitant to say that I even see that happening. It would have, if we were to come and touch this line again, it would have to break under this first. So up until this line gets broken, I don't even want to consider that as a possibility yet. If this line gets broken, then sure. But up until then, I think this will be a very, very strong resistance or support rather. So yeah, again, short-term action, guys, we're going to probably look to downtrend. Unless something happens with this earnings call and Elon gives us an insanely bullish outlook, we're probably going to just continue trading downwards into this channel. Probably touch 880 again or something like that. I mean, we already did that in pre-market actually, when Tesla fell like 5% on these hours, rather on the earning report. So it's gonna be a pretty volatile week, but we're pretty much gonna be trading within this little general area. So expect to see some volatility in this general, like, 900 to like 800 area. We're gonna be up and down throughout this whole area, guys. I do expect a downtrend again, unless something great happens in this earnings report or call rather coming up. So that's my kind of current thoughts going forward, and I do expect to downtrend. If I had to pick a direction, I will pick a direction of downtrending a little bit. But again, it's just short term noise. Long term, there's no issues long term, guys. Come on. There's no issues long term, I promise. Not financial advice, but I do promise. But either way, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace.